These are floating cities of steel, symbols of unmatched power that can project force anywhere on Earth. U.S. aircraft carriers are not just ships, they are floating airbases, the backbone of America's global dominance. Today, we dive deep into their history, power, and role in shaping the world. The story of aircraft carriers began in the early 20th century during World War I, when navies experimented with launching planes from ships. These small steps would forever change naval warfare. But it was World War II that truly proved their value. In the Pacific, U.S. carriers like the USS Enterprise and USS Yorktown turned the tide of war. The Battle of Midway in 1942 showed that air power at sea, not battleships, would decide the future. From then on, the aircraft carrier became America's sharpest sword. After the war, the U.S. introduced the Forrestal class, the world's first true supercarriers. These massive ships could launch dozens of jet aircraft and operate in almost any condition. Then came the legendary Nimitz class in the 1970s. Each Nimitz displaces over 100,000 tons, carries more than 60 aircraft, and is powered by 2 nuclear reactors. These ships can sail for 20 years without refueling, making them unstoppable giants of the sea. And now, the future is here, the Gerald R. Fort class. The most advanced warships ever built, featuring electromagnetic catapults, advanced radar, greater power output, and the ability to launch aircraft faster and more efficiently. With room for over 75 aircraft and a crew of 4,500, the Fort class will serve for the next half-century. An aircraft carrier is more than just a ship, it's a mobile airbase. Modern carriers can launch aircraft every 25 seconds. Day or night, storm or calm seas, their flight decks remain active. From F/A-18 Hornets to the F-35C Lightning II, carriers bring the full force of American air power to the oceans. A carrier never sails alone. It is the centerpiece of a carrier strike group, a powerful formation of destroyers, cruisers, and submarines. Together, they provide layered defense against air, sea, and underwater threats. This makes the group one of the most formidable military forces on Earth. Aircraft carriers are not only weapons of war. They play a vital role in humanitarian missions. After earthquakes, tsunamis, or hurricanes, carriers deliver aid, provide medical care, and support rescue operations. But make no mistake, their primary mission is power projection. From the Gulf War to modern conflicts, U.S. carriers ensure that no crisis is beyond America's reach. When a carrier arrives offshore, it sends a powerful message: the United States is here. Other nations have carriers too: Britain with HMS Queen Elizabeth, France with Charles de Gaulle, and China with its expanding fleet. Yet, none can match America's scale. The U.S. Navy operates 11 nuclear-powered supercarriers, more than the rest of the world combined. In technology, experience, and global reach, the U.S. is decades ahead. Aircraft carriers are more than ships. They are floating fortresses, symbols of freedom, and the ultimate expression of American naval power. For over a century, they have defined global warfare and diplomacy, and for decades to come, they will continue to dominate the seas.